How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Live Easy. Today, guys, I'm coming at you with the second episode of my OBS tutorial to teach you guys how to use OBS for the first time. If you guys go on and enjoy this video and find it useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell down below. Also, if you would like to support Like Me Easy and help me grow and do better videos in the future, you can always become a channel member. You can click the join button next to the subscribe button on my channel. It's usually like $1.99 a month. You don't have to, but if you'd like to support the channel, it's always welcome. So without further ado, let's hop into this tutorial. And today we're going to be talking about live streaming on OBS, because this is a very useful element in OBS and YouTube and Twitch and other live streaming services. And OBS makes it really easy to actually live stream to various platforms like Mixer, YouTube, Twitch, all that kind of stuff. So the first thing I'm just going to want to show you is when you're in your OBS application, you just want to click the settings button right here. And you want to click the stream button. Now I'll be going over future settings and tutorials on how to use like all these different settings, but today we're just going to be focusing on streaming. So from here, you have service, server, and Streamlink. This Streamlink I'm going to be going over in a little bit on showing you my YouTube channel. Is basically the link that allows you to connect to your channel and live stream. So you don't want to share this with anyone, because if someone gets a hold of this, then they could potentially just keep live streaming to your channel and you have zero control. So you don't want that. So keep this private. I'm not going to show it in mine. But for here, service, you can select various platforms. You can do custom. I don't know what custom is. If there's another live streaming service that's not listed here, I kind of doubt that, but if there is, you can go to custom. You have Twitch, YouTube Gaming. I use YouTube Gaming. Never really used Twitch much. Not a big fan. I like YouTube Gaming just because you can it kind of like goes along with your YouTube channel, and you got to like take your following from your YouTube subscribers and just like transfer that over to that over to your like live streaming network, which makes it really easy. And you can also DVR your past live streams for your subscribers to check out after the fact. Mixer, which Ninja streams on right now. Facebook Live, Restream, don't really know what that is, and you can also use Twitter/Periscope. So I'm going to select YouTube Gaming. I recommend most of you select that, or Twitch or Mixer, because those are like the big three right now. And then just select primary YouTube and just server. So here's your stream key. You want to keep that private, and I'm going to show you actually how to obtain that. So we're going to move over to YouTube right here, and I'm basically going to show you how to create a stream on YouTube. I know a lot of other people make tutorials on this, but I thought it would go well with this tutorial for OBS. You just want to click new stream. And here you can create a title. Let's call it test. Probably going to keep it private. You can select your description, type whatever you want. Add a game title. For me, it'd be like Star Wars or something. I don't know, whatever I'm live streaming at the time. You can schedule it for later. Put like a certain time and date in that. Upload a custom thumbnail if you want to like really capture the audience or someone strolling around YouTube. You can create a pretty nice thumbnail to capture their attention. And then is it made for kids, age restriction, if you want to go into that, but it's not very important. So you create stream. Let that load up. You know, webcam. You can add anything you want, but what we're going to be doing here is basically, and I'll probably show you in future tutorials how to like actually set up this kind of stuff for live streaming and just make everything look really solid. So you have your generated key right here. You copy and paste this one. I'm not going to click show or anything, but you want to click copy. Take this stream key, come back to OBS and plug it in here. That's going to connect the two. So it actually like, those are basically like your encoder settings. So it connects your live stream on YouTube to OBS and transfers that data over. Here's your URL, so you can share that and stuff. I highly recommend enabling DVR just so that people can watch this after the fact if they didn't see it or they didn't have time to watch you when you're actually streaming it. 360-degree video. I don't know why you need that unless you have a 360-degree camera. You can do that as well. You can do a little delay, a couple seconds or whatever if you want to add a delay. Closed captions, I wouldn't use that. Then here, pretty important, normal latency, low latency, ultra low latency. Latency is basically the time in between you're doing an action on your screen, and it's the time from that action happening and actually showing up on your live stream. So I just normally select low latency, and it gives you the pros and cons of each one. So for normal, it's best high quality for viewers, on playback for high resolutions, best for near real-time interaction with minimal playback buffering. So it all depends on your internet speed and the quality that you're streaming at. So for the live streaming, you have your live chat over here. Say you have donations or whatever, you can read those off while you're live streaming. And when your stream actually goes live and you come back here, let me just X out of this, and you click start streaming to actually start up your live stream and connect it to the YouTube server. This will come up and say, like, it'll tell you the quality of your connection, if it's excellent connection, if it's good connection, if it's poor connection. And it'll show up either like green, yellow, or red to let you know the certain kind of connection you're experiencing. And that basically depends on your internet and your resolution that you have set up, but I'll talk about that in future tutorials. You can also edit this live when you're streaming. It shows your viewers, likes, category, all this stuff. You can go to analytics and overall stream health, but obviously I'm not live streaming, so I have no data on this. So guys, that's gonna be it for this tutorial. It's pretty straightforward. You can do basically the same thing if you're doing Twitch and whatnot, but I'm just gonna focus on YouTube on this one. As I said, you guys can support me by joining the channel, or you can purchase some merch down in the description below to help out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you check out future tutorials for OBS in the future, because I'm hoping to help you guys create live streams, record videos, do all that cool stuff really easily, and bring you very simple and easy to understand tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.